Welcome to Newframe. Context is everything when making on-brand advertisements. So our platform starts with a deep research on your brand. It gets a summary, your brand essence, how you position yourself, your audience, as well as your brand guidelines, your voice, your key phrases, and application guidelines, as well as your social presence and brand kit like logo, fonts, colors, and everything else. You can add your products in your catalog to our system to train the system with them. You can add people or AI characters as casts to use in your commercials. And you can create mood boards to guide the visual consistency of your generations. Once everything is done, the agent is ready. So here's what a typical session and the main interface looks like. On the left, of course, we have the agent, and on the right, we have this generative canvas. First, I asked it to make some images of the Eames chair. Of course, I can refer to it with tagging the chair, which the system trained itself with. I asked for some different aspect ratios, and I really like this one because it's very on board with the mood board. And I asked it to make a scene with it. What I had in mind was handheld camera and a slow zoom in. And immediately, of course, in a couple of minutes, it generated the scene, which I will use in the final commercial. I really like it. Then I asked it this time to use me as well, sitting in a chair with a coffee mug in my hand and a book. It started generating the frames. I like how shoeless I am here. This one, quite thoughtful. And this is a really cool one too. And then I asked the system to make some static ads for our campaign. We brainstormed a little bit. It really thinks like a true marketer. And we settled on the idea of the icon, focusing on the chair's legendary status and enduring design. So again, generated some static ads. I could do this all day. And then I want to try the other product, the desk as well. So I generated some scenes with myself and the desk, and I produced videos of them as well. Here, there were some social posts online, so I want to make some variations of those. Here they used the blue chair, and I wanted to go with the leather, so I generated some variations. Everything is done by a basic conversation. There is no prompting or model selection involved. The system does it, does the routing and prompting all by itself, and it really enables you to vibe market, create your commercials just by conversing with a really smart marketing brain. Thank you for watching.